What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you a mod that'll make sure the only thing twisted on your bike is the throttle.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
Wouldn't change for the world.
Cause I'm a thug.
That's right, you heard.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
Oh yeah.
Check it out. Could it be my baggy jeans or my gold teeth that make me different from y'all? Ain't tripping, dog, but listen, dog, I was raised a little different, y'all. Doing my thing, using my ghetto slang, and I'm representing thugs.
Alright, whether it's riding on trails with your buddies or killing back roads, we've all taken a spill from time to time. And in my case, what that means is, no matter what, twisted bars. It's not necessarily the actual bar that's bent so much as it is the rubber bushing inside your top triple that gets all wadded up and causes your bars to stay bent sideways. So, thanks to Zeta, they've got a mod for that. Alright, this product from Zeta, again called the Rubber Killer. It is bike specific, but you can find it at several different websites. I actually got mine on Amazon. They retail for about $15 to $19.99, so you're coming in under $20. And on my budget, that's a great fix for the price. First off, you do not need to remove your tank to do this. I already had my tank off, so I went ahead and left it off just because it does give me a little bit of extra purchase room in here to get underneath, because you're actually going to be removing these two nuts that are on the bottom of the bolts, and they're located right up here underneath your triple. So right now, we take our wrench, we're going to pop those off. Alright, once the nut and washer on both sides are removed, the next step is going to be just pulling the bars and the clamps straight up out of the triple. Alright, and there you go. You have a top rubber piece that goes here and a bottom rubber piece down there on each side. As you can see, I actually modified these. When I put on these Pro Taper bar clamps, they didn't fit with the factory bushings, so I went ahead and drilled them out. I ran into the same issue that I had with the old factory mounts, the rubber ones, is that the diameter on the inside was too small, so I had to take a 1/2-inch drill bit and drill them out just like I did with the old ones. If you are running the factory bar clamps, you won't have to worry about this. It'll be a direct drop-in fit, but in my case, I had to do a little modification. Alright, so I've got those bar clamp mounts in place. I've got the washer and the nut threaded on at the bottom, and I'm going to tighten them up and see how they feel. It's a good tip when you guys are working on something that's dual-sided, whether it be your forks or your mounts. Don't ever tighten anything down too solid on one side until you have the other one threaded up as well. Alright, got the final tighten up on these bar mounts. I'm pretty happy. They weren't too bad to install. I think they're pretty straight compared to the rubber ones. They should be a drastic difference in terms of those low speed or high speed spills where your bars get twisted. I know it's been very frustrating for me. These bars actually have a little bit of a tweak in them. These are the factory fat bars that came with the bike. I'm going to be replacing these with the Pro Taper Evo Adventure bars. They come up a little higher. That'll keep me from having to rock them forward because I do need a little bit taller of a bar. So that's been something that's been a little frustrating recently. Definitely a mod that I need to do. Actually, with these mounts that I just put on, it looks like it raises the overall height up just a little bit, so that might be a benefit. I know when it comes to bars, just a little bit of change makes a world of difference. Again, these are pretty simple to install. I'm going to get out and ride it, see how it goes, but I think you guys will really like them. It's a cheap $20 mod that should save you a lot of headache. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go over to my channel and check out some of my other videos. Got a lot of videos about mods that I've done to the DRZ, and I've got a lot of other stuff about supermotos in general, as well as some other hooligan videos of wheelies and shit like that. So, again, thank you for watching the video.